So I mean, this look is very simple. I'm gonna place it in the cards somewhere above as to how I did look similar to this but with different colors. So now you can wear your makeup like this, or you can wear it using red glitter. I'm going to go into the Beauty Glaze Press Glitter palette, and I will be using that red glitter only on the red part of my eyes. So that's what you're going to see in the next clip. This is it for my eyes, but not just yet. I just received a package, and this is how it looks. I'm not gonna show y'all my address because we're not doing that. But I mean, this is a package, and I believe it's a new pair of lashes if I open it and see. And yes, it is a new pair of lashes, and these are called Lashes by Giselle, and this is coming from a young Black female entrepreneur, and she has amazing lashes that she is selling. I'll make sure to put her information in the description box below, so that way you can go ahead and purchase it. And plus two, it is very affordable, so you definitely want to cop it. Okay, so this is the packaging right here, and it says Lashes by Giselle, and then there's her username handle. I'm gonna take it out packaging so I can show you how beautiful these lashes are. And I've seen them on her Snapchat, and all of the lashes are very natural. They're wispy like. I mean, they're pairs of lashes that you want to cop, that you want to buy. But I just chose number 36, and this is how number 36 looks in the packaging. It's very pretty, and I love this box too. I mean, I'm gonna put this box out on my vanity, so it just is like right there as a standpoint to be like, look at me. So I mean, there's that, and then there's also a little card that comes with it as well. And look how pretty this card is. I mean, I wish the camera would show it justice, where it's shifting in different colors, and it's like a baby pink. I'm gonna call it the millennial pink. It's like a millennial pink, and it says, "Thank you for shopping with Lashes by Giselle, XOXO Giselle CEO." And then at the bottom is her information. This is oh so cute. So I'm definitely going to purchase a pair of lashes from this young Black entrepreneur, because I mean, again, I'm supporting Black owned makeup brands and Black owned businesses. That's all I have to say. I'm gonna pop on Lashes by Giselle so you can see how it looks, or number 36 by Lashes by Giselle, so you can see how it looks. And then I'm going to move straight into the lips. So now this is how number 36 looks on myself. So I mean, they're dramatic, but it's a pretty dramatic. It almost makes me feel like a butterfly on the inside and on the outside as well. It's very fluffy, very wispy. It almost looks like the 3D mink lashes, which I'm starting to think that's what it is. They're 3D mink lashes for a very affordable price. Alright, so now I'm mixing 2 liquid lipsticks for today. Both very affordable, just like the lashes. First thing I'm going to delve into is the e.l.f. Liquid Matte Lipstick, and this is in the shade Praline. Followed by me going into the Black Radiance Perfect Tone Matte Lip Cream, and this is in the shade Let's Toast. So that is what you're going to be seeing in the next clip. So I'm going to give you a double take on the eyes. Definitely double take on my lashes. Ooh. So I mean, with this eye look and then the lashes with the eye look, it is definitely Tay Rosé approved. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can see more of Also, do not forget to click on that notification bell so that way you are on the alert as to when my videos are out. I want to thank Giselle, the CEO of Lashes by Giselle, for sending me these lashes to do a brief review on. That is all I have for now. Please be sure to check out the previous video and next section that's coming up. I will see you there. Bye.